In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive Asana projects. This is an essential skill to manage and declutter your workspace while ensuring that old projects remain accessible for future reference. So let's dive into the process, which is both straightforward and quick. To begin, you'll need to access your Asana account. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Asana login page. Once you're there, you'll see a space to enter your email address. Type in your email and hit the continue button. Now it's time to enter your password. Be sure to double check that you're typing it correctly to avoid any login errors. After entering your password, click on the login button. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll arrive at your Asana homepage. This is where all your current and past projects are available. Your next step is to select the specific project you want to archive. Browse through your list of projects, and when you find the one you're looking for, open it by clicking on it. Now that you have your project open, you'll need to locate the Actions drop-down menu. It's typically found in the top section of the project page. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal several options. Among these options, you'll see the Archive function. Clicking on Archive will initiate the process, effectively placing your project into storage. But what happens next? After archiving your project, you may want to know where to find it later. Navigate back to your workspace. On the workspace page, you'll notice options to sort through your projects. Click on the option labelled A to Z or Sort, depending on the version you're using. From this drop-down menu, select Archive. This will display all your archived projects in one convenient location. It's a great way to ensure that even though projects are archived, they're not inaccessible. Finally, it's important to note that Asana allows you to archive projects in their entirety, including all tasks associated with them. This means you won't lose any information when you archive a project. Everything is preserved, which can be a lifesaver when you need to refer back to past tasks or documents. And there you have it. Archiving projects in Asana is a quick process that helps keep your workspace organized while retaining access to valuable past work. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial clarifies the steps needed to efficiently archive your projects on Asana. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.